Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered just how weird the universe really gets? Here's the truth: Earth, with its gentle breezes, warm sunsets, and breathable air, is a cosmic miracle. An anomaly floating in an ocean of violence and extremes. Today, we're leaving the comfort of our solar system far behind to visit 5 planets so brutal, so bizarre, they'll make you see our little blue dot in a completely new way. Buckle up. Planet 1, Kepler 16b. First up, Kepler 16b, a world straight out of science fiction. Located 245 light-years away, this planet orbits not one but 2 stars simultaneously. Twin suns setting at different angles, casting double shadows across the sky. It genuinely sounds beautiful. But don't be fooled. Kepler 16b is a gas giant with a thick poisonous atmosphere and no solid surface. 2 stars pulling on it at once create relentless atmospheric chaos, and temperatures swing to extremes no human body could survive. It was only discovered in 2011, just 245 light-years away. If a 2-sun planet was hiding that close, imagine what's lurking further out. Beautiful from a distance. Deadly up close. Planet 2, HD 189733b. Think a thunderstorm on Earth is scary? Meet HD 189733b, and rethink everything. This gas giant orbits dangerously close to its star, and the result is the most terrifying weather system ever observed. Wind speeds exceed 5,400 miles per hour, 7 times the speed of sound. The most powerful hurricane ever recorded on Earth peaked at 200 miles per hour. On HD 189733b, that's a light breeze. But it gets worse. The atmosphere contains silicate particles, microscopic shards of glass, carried in those supersonic winds. It doesn't just rain here. It rains sideways glass, shredding everything in its path at thousands of miles per hour. And the cruelest part? From space, this planet is a gorgeous, deep, vivid blue. It looks like a peaceful ocean world. Beautiful on the outside. A glass-filled apocalypse on the inside. Planet 3, J1407b. We love Saturn's rings. They're iconic. But Saturn is modest compared to what's next. Meet J1407b, the ring monster. Saturn's rings span 175,000 miles. J1407b's ring system? 180 million miles across. Over 600 times larger. If Saturn had rings this size, they'd be clearly visible from Earth, appearing several times bigger than the full moon in our night sky. Scientists have identified over 30 individual rings, with gaps likely carved by moons, at least one of which could be the size of Earth itself. Imagine approaching this world, rings stretching across your entire field of vision in every direction, lit by a distant star. It would be the most spectacular sight any human eye has ever seen. The gravitational forces would tear you apart long before you got close enough to enjoy it. The most spectacular death trap in the galaxy. Planet 4, Kepler 186f. Now this one is unsettling for a completely different reason, because at first glance, it seems familiar. Kepler 186f. Same size as Earth. In the habitable zone of its star. Discovered in 2014, it was hailed as the closest Earth twin ever found. Scientists were thrilled. Then they looked closer. It orbits a red dwarf star, far cooler and dimmer than our Sun. To stay warm, the planet sits much closer to it, raising the probability of tidal locking, one side in permanent scorching daylight, the other in permanent frozen darkness. 2 extreme worlds stitched together. Red dwarf stars also unleash violent radiation flares, constantly bombarding nearby planets. So Kepler 186f dangles the idea of a familiar, livable world in front of us, and then takes it away. Earth's distant, deeply unsettling twin. Planet 5, rogue planets. Every planet so far orbits a star. But our final entry has nothing at all. Rogue planets are worlds, sometimes larger than Jupiter, that were flung out of their solar systems by gravitational collisions billions of years ago. They drift forever through interstellar space. No star. No light. No warmth. Scientists believe there could be billions of them wandering our galaxy right now, completely invisible because they emit no light of their own. Eternal darkness. Surface temperatures near -400 degrees Fahrenheit. No seasons. No sunrise. Just silence and cold, stretching on forever. And yet, some scientists wonder. Could a rogue planet with a radioactive core retain enough internal heat for liquid water deep beneath a frozen surface? Could something live in that permanent dark? Unlikely. But in a universe this strange, unlikely isn't impossible. The loneliest, most haunting worlds in existence. 5 planets. 5 extremes. Twin suns. Supersonic glass storms. A ring system that swallows the sky. A world split between fire and ice. And silent wanderers, drifting alone in the dark forever. What they all remind us is this: the universe was not designed with us in mind. It is vast, violent, and indifferent. And somehow, against all odds, we ended up here. A planet with clean air, liquid water, and a sun that doesn't try to kill us every morning. Every ordinary sunset you've ever seen? By the universe's standards, that's a miracle. If this blew your mind, subscribe, because next time we're going even deeper: black holes, neutron stars, and the most violent events since the Big Bang. The universe has more secrets. Let's go find them.